Struggling to build a website but don't want to spend hours dragging blocks or writing code? What if AI could do it for you instantly? Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. Today we're looking at Divi AI, an AI-powered website builder that promises to help you create stunning sites without needing to touch a single line of code. But is it actually worth your time, or is it just more hype? Divi AI is part of the Divi ecosystem by Elegant Themes, which already has a strong reputation in the WordPress world. What makes Divi AI stand out is its ability to write, copy, generate images, and even style your website based on your content, all within the builder. In short, it's like having ChatGPT and Canva built directly into your web design tool. But here's the catch. While it speeds up design for beginners, it still leans heavily on you to guide the look and content. You need a clear idea of what you want, or you'll end up endlessly tweaking. Also, Divi AI isn't free. You'll need an Elegant Theme subscription plus an extra fee for the AI features. So if you're on a tight budget or only beginning one site, this might not be the most cost-effective choice. In the end, Divi AI is a smart tool if you're already in the Divi ecosystem or building multiple sites. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.